So on the occasion of Women's Day, I have three very lovely women here with me. Let's meet them.
I am a fashion influencer. I create content for Instagram and I promote brands through that.
Organize a luxury exhibition by the name Garden of Eden. 21-year-old Inayat was more fierce and बहुत हिम्मत थी, बहुत वाइल्ड सपने थे उसके एक्चुअली. पर मैंने ये भी रियलाइज किया कि बहुत चीजें तो 21-year-old को चाहिए थी, उसको अब चाहिए भी नहीं. अरे वाह.
No matter what role you want to take in life, but just live life your way.
पापा की परी तो सबको होना चाहिए. I mean, that also means you are loved by your parents, no matter what.
Parents से जाते हैं to the life partner.
Yeah.
All three of you are married.
Yeah.
And different journey. You got married into a very political setup.
Yeah.
तो कैसा था? Was it easy for them to accept that you could be a blogger?
Earlier it was like, what are you doing? Why are you making videos? You know, people wouldn't understand this thing. But they were really nice and supportive of the thing. Like,
There was
Yeah.
a time के reels का मजाक उड़ाया जाता था.
Yeah.
Now it's a serious business.
Yes.
A girl, a daughter, a wife, a mother, in-law, चाची, ताई, मामी, मासी. एक औरत, अनेक रोल. Yes, we men. So on the occasion of Women's Day, I have three very lovely women here with me. Let's meet them. Hi, Ashmeet.
Yeah,
Please
hi.
tell us
I'm
about yourself.
Ashmeet Oberoi. I'm the managing director at Guru Ramdas Academy. It's been 3.5 years that I'm pursuing this, and I really hope I would be able to make GRD as the best school of Ludhiana very, very soon.
Awesome! I'm sure.
Thank
High
you.
five se hota hai. I am sure. Now I have a very chirpy, beautiful, and a very successful entrepreneur here with me, Bhavdeep. Hi.
hi, how are you?
Absolutely fine. Tell us about yourself.
So I am a fashion influencer. I create content for Instagram and I promote brands through that. And I also have my own label by the name of Youngberry, which I started pretty young at the age of 18.
Oh, wonderful.
So-
At the age of 18, how old are you?
31.
Oh, so is she the youngest?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Inayat.
Hi, I'm Inayat Dhanda. So I organize a luxury exhibition by the name Garden of Eden, and it's been 7 years now. Yes, I'm 35.
Oh, wonderful. So I think, let me ask you, being the youngest here. So 31, जब 31 के अब आप हो, so अब 21 की भवदीप अगर 31 की भवदीप को देखेगी, तो वो एक वर्ड में भवदीप को क्या बोलेगी? One word.
So I would tell her that I'm really proud and we've achieved most of our goals and there's like still a long way to go.
Wonderful. Inayat.
Yes, that's a very interesting question actually. So the 21-year-old Inayat was more fierce and बहुत हिम्मत थी, बहुत wild सपने थे उसके actually, because there were no fears or the judgment of the society. तो that ways तो वो थोड़ी सी बोलेगी कि इनायत इतनी क्यों डरती है आजकल, ले थोड़े मजे कर, क्यों इतना सोचती है. बट वो उसको ये भी बोलेगी कि you've gone through a lot, you've really taken care of self, and the best part is कि बहुत चीज़ें जो मेरी I always used to make a bucket list. बहुत चीज़ें टिक हुई हैं, like travel, a lot of things. पर मैंने ये भी रियलाइज किया कि बहुत चीज़ें तो 21-year-old को चाहिए थी, उसको अब चाहिए भी नहीं.
अरे वाह.
So I've changed also a lot.
Yeah. Ashmeet.
When I was 21 and now, honestly, I did not have any ambition back when I was 21. I was enjoying my life. You can say Papa's princess. So I used to have a very good time with my nephew, my brother and
So
hubby.
Papa's princess. I think it's a very sweet word, but somehow it has become, symbolic to sarcasm.
Yeah.
So Papa's princess nowadays is not a term which is very positive.
Yeah.
Bhavdeep, what do you have to say to that?
I would agree to that because I don't know, like, if people have to talk about women, if they want to chill and be in that, like, pamper me mode, people have a problem. If they want to take up a role and, step down and then be like, okay, I'm gonna take things in my control, people have a problem. So I'm, I know people will judge no matter what role you want to take in life, but just live life your way.
Wonderful. I like
Yeah.
that.
Yes,
What's your take on Papa Ki Pari?
पापा की परी तो सबको होना चाहिए. I mean,
think
that also means you are loved by your parents, no matter what. You know, that unconditional love. But इसके साथ साथ एक parents तुम्हें support भी दें और वो हिम्मत दें that you are equivalent to a guy.
So यहाँ पर हम parents से जाते हैं to the life partner.
Yeah.
All three of you are married.
Yeah.
And different journey. So
Yes.
what's your take? I mean, how supportive is your husband and then the family?
Very, very supportive. Rather, it was my in-law side of the family who pushed me to work. My father-in-law, he was very, very adamant and clear from day one when हमारा रिश्ता हो रहा था जब, तो he got to know that I've been a scholar throughout my life.
Oh, wonderful.
I've done post-graduation, then another degree I have. So he was like, I wouldn't let it go in vain. You have to certainly do. And then I realized how much potential also I have.
That's
So
wonderful.
I'm very grateful to Papa. You know, my
So you have
father-in-law.
Papa ki pari from both the sides.
Both the sides.
Wonderful.
So
That's
nice.
amazing. So Bhavdeep, you got married into a very political setup.
Yeah.
तो कैसा था? Was it easy for them to accept that you could be a blogger and influencer?
So it is something very different, and now like people know what it is, and you know earlier it was like, what are you doing? Why are you making videos? You know, people wouldn't understand this thing, but they were really nice and supportive of the thing. Like they always let me be and let me do what I'm doing, because you know they come from a very academic background, like all of them.
Yes.
So my mother-in-law retired as a principal, my father-in-law retired as an IAS officer, then he joined politics, and everyone in the family like knew how it is, and they just let me do my own thing. They slowly understood what it is, but yeah, like they were good with it. Yeah.
Okay. So Inayat, was it with you?
Be it my parents, my in-laws or my husband, I didn't even have to think about anything. Like, मतलब ये क्वेश्चन मेरे पे वैलिड नहीं है.
So I think coming to what you said, मुझे इस पे मैं जरूर बात करना चाहूंगी. अब हम
Yeah.
बात करते हैं रील्स की. There was a
Yeah.
time के रील्स का मजाक उड़ाया जाता था.
Yeah.
Now it's a serious business.
Yes,
It
yes.
is. It
What's
is.
your take on that?
It definitely is. I think I always say like once you're trying for something, people will not understand. But once you've achieved it and you show them the way, then they know what it is and how serious anything can be. Like I don't believe that any work is like low or high or कोई well paid है तो वो अच्छा है, कोई well paid नहीं है तो वो अच्छा नहीं है, ऐसा भी नहीं है. Just because now people are making a lot of money from reels does not suddenly make reels a good thing.
Yeah.
It was all about showing your creative side in whatever field you are. Now today doctors are also making reels,
Yeah.
like scientists are also making reels, and teachers are also making reels, and पहले सिर्फ फैशन या एंटरटेनमेंट था.
So Inayat, again taking from there, जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. What do you have to say to
Totally.
that?
I totally believe in this. I actually also have to give it to Bhavdeep ki I think she was the first blogger in Ludhiana, Punjab, that came to limelight, and I still feel she's the best in the business in the city and Punjab. And जो लोग मजाक भी उड़ाते थे, including us, है ना? My parents, I remember, used to even make fun of when I used to post reels. They have started, everything is reels now. I mean, मेरी मम्मी तो सारा दिन reels ही देखती रहती हैं.
Okay, now this brings me to the most important point, जो मेरे दिमाग में कई बार आता है. I'm sure आप लोगों के भी आता होगा. See, basically, when you talk of reels, what's the second word that comes to your mind? Where do you post reels?
Instagram.
So do we have a plan B?
YouTube,
Yeah.
Facebook.
Apart from this,
Not
apart from
really.
social
Like,
media, have you ever
sometimes I
thought of the
think-
plan B?
No.
Sometimes I sit and think, I'm like,
Yeah, so you thought
Instagram
about
कल
it,
नहीं
right?
होगा तो
हाँ.
मैं कौन हूँ?
बिल्कुल,
Like, you know,
बिल्कुल,
what
yeah.
am I?
This
Who
is
am
this is
I?
a pertinent question that
Yeah.
I want to ask one and all
Yeah.
those who wholly solely rely on social media and in particular Instagram,
Yeah.
because girls, let's not forget what happened with TikTok.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So do we have a plan B there?
So that's why I have like two businesses. Like I always think that you should always have like two sources of income. Like if anything happens to one, you have the other one to support you. So I think that is really important. Like having two sources of income at least.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same.
So I think a lot of times a question is asked. अब तो खैर when I'm talking about 2006, so तब तो ये होता था, are you married, are you working? In a small town I'm talking
Yeah.
about. But आजकल एक एक और it's not a question, but generally people have a suggestion, or I would say a phrase
Yeah.
that, oh, you're doing this. Good, it's good to keep yourself busy.
Oh yeah.
I have a problem with that. I really have a problem
Yes.
with two things. पहले तो वो girls जो बोलती हैं वैसे तो हमें काम करने की जरूरत नहीं है, you know we are married, but चलो busy रहती हूँ, and I'm like, what a disrespect to even your profession.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm sorry, but the richest and the biggest people in this world are working for passion.
Yes.
Yeah.
मतलब passion नहीं यार, life का कुछ मतलब भी तो बनाना है.
And I think passion, and of course it's
Yeah,
about
and you-
your income as well.
Yeah, income
Yeah.
also, and come on, you have to put your mind, such a beautiful mind you have. इतनी पढ़ाई करी, like कि कौन
Yeah.
नहीं चाहता होगा. अभी चाहे तुम अंबानी के भी बच्चे हो, वो भी काम करते हैं.
I agree.
ना क्या तुम वो, like I literally have friends who
Yes.
say, "It's too inayat, you know, I don't need, right?" तो मैंने वो बंद कर दिया because I have children now.
Okay, now coming to this, girls, you know, we all are working here. आपको क्या लगता है, ये जो सेंटेंस है, ये जो स्टेटमेंट है, इसके पीछे एक्चुअल क्या है? You want to say that okay, I'm working but I don't need money? Or what is it that you want to justify? Or what
a
is
lot of things actually.
Yeah.
I feel also in a lot of
Maybe.
families, unfortunately, they are not supported.
Very
Yeah.
supportive, yes.
Yeah.
वो काम कह देते हैं बेटा कर लो काम,
Yeah.
बट वो फिर बाद में बोलते हैं बच्चे निगलेक्ट हो रहे हैं, तुम ध्यान नहीं दे रहे. अब वो क्या करेगी?
That's
उसको
true.
वापस आना
Like
पड़ेगा. ध्यान रखने के
I know this woman. Each time that I would meet, she's doing very well. She holds some classes,
Yeah.
and हर बार ये बोलती, oh, I only do for ladies. I only do for ladies. Probably I think it's the family
the
pressure
family
as well.
pressure.
Because
That's holding
people
her
be
back.
like, ये इसकी हॉबी है, ये हमारी बेटी की हॉबी है.
No,
इसको
लोड नहीं है
ये होता है अभी.
ये होता
Yeah,
है, ये
yeah.
होता था भी और होता रहेगा भी. जब it will take time
Time,
for
it will take
people
time,
to
sure.
change.
But ironically, I've never
Yeah.
ever been asked this question or have been directed to this way कि busy रहती होगी. So,
Yeah, but because
yeah,
I'll
but-
tell you what, because your thing is related to academics
Education,
and
yeah.
education. Once it comes to fashion, and yours is also linked with
Then you have to go out
shopping and
somewhere.
fashion. Like it's like, oh, it's not serious.
Yes.
But we might be making more money
Yeah,
than anybody
I remember,
else.
I
in the
remember
world.
your background.
Yeah.
I remember one of my cousins calling me up and saying, इनायत तू ना गलत काम पढ़ गई की मिलता होगा,
Yeah.
तू ना कॉर्पोरेट लॉ कर ले. पहले एक दो बार तो मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा कि क्यों बोला. नेक्स्ट टाइम आई वाज लाइक, आई एम रियली डूइंग गुड.
Yeah.
I want to tell her that your son, daughter, who is a doctor, I'm doing better than them.
Yeah. And you're enjoying what you're doing.
Yeah.
You love what you're doing.
Okay, girls,
That
another
doesn't
thing, you know.
matter.
अब tell me honestly, बड़े उसमें बताना. In comparison to tier 1 city, I think we live in a small town. आपको क्या लगता है आपकी सक्सेस में लुधियाना, which is a small town, उसका कितना हाथ है?
I think it definitely makes a difference if you're from a smaller town or a bigger town, because अगर आप बड़े शहर में हो, exposure automatically एकदम से आपके पास ज़्यादा है. अगर आप छोटे शहर से हो, you have to, you know, go up the ladder, and it is a slow process.
Is it?
It is. I feel it is, because you know, suddenly you're considered a bigger designer if you're from Bombay or Delhi, and if you're from Ludhiana, you're like, oh, it's a Punjabi style boutique or something like that. Like you have to, like, you know, go up the ladder like that. But it isn't like that hard.
इसका
Also.
अगर we'll see that another side of it, that
Yeah.
you could be a big fish in a small pond.
I feel that way.
Yeah?
So I was married in Delhi,
Yeah.
and it was a very rare decision. मतलब लोग ऐसा कोई नहीं करता तो वापस तुम्हें
Yes,
आना,
yes.
तुम्हारा
Yeah.
दिल करे आने का, right? I owe my entire career to Ludhiana because दिल्ली तो is saturated with fashion, with designers. तुम्हें तो वहाँ कोई पूछता भी नहीं है. यहाँ पे, especially since it's a small city, people have money, they love fashion, they love creativity.
Yeah.
बल्कि मेरी exhibition पे 90% designers are from Delhi and all the tier 1 cities.
Yeah.
Because the kind of money and taste people have in Ludhiana,
Yeah.
वो दिल्ली में भी नहीं
नहीं
है.
आता है.
बहुत कम तबके में है that, you know, that kind of.
So now you are into education. आपको क्या लगता है, जैसे आपने बोला that you want to make a big difference. So what is that one thing जो आपको लगता है सबसे ज़्यादा amiss हो रहा है in the generation today, especially the students?
Honestly, I'll tell you, because my son is 7 years old now and I face this problem every day. I feel all other schools are very, very much, they are just focusing on syllabus. Right? So extracurriculum activities are missing because they don't have the infrastructure also. So that's the one big constraint. And I take pride in this by telling that I have one of the biggest campuses in Ludhiana.
So that brings me to another question, very interesting one. जब हम छोटे थे तो हमको गली खूंचे में दिखता था क्रिकेट क्रिकेट क्रिकेट, और अब आप कहीं पर भी जाओ क्रिकेट से ज़्यादा बच्चे फुटबॉल खेलते हुए दिखते हैं. आपको भी ऐसा कुछ ट्रेंड देखा? बिकॉज यू हैव दिस एकेडमी, GRD Academy, one of the
but
best.
still people, some students, they are just crazily in love.
But do you think
with cricket.
that you know that वो जो क्रिकेट का एक रेशियो था, so that there was no comparison. So on a scale of 0 to 10, so 9 was cricket and 1 was other games.
Yeah.
So which I think the margin has increased now. Football
It
has
certainly
taken over,
has.
especially after the World Cup.
After the World Cup, and also there are many places that have opened up in Ludhiana where you can go and play football.
Yeah.
But cricket still, I somehow feel it takes the
More
lead.
connected to cricket.
Yeah.
Wonderful. So now, girls, we have a small round wherein each one of you would ask one question. So you would ask one question to her, then coming to me as well. So Inayat, let's start with you.
So I have to ask 3 questions?
Yes.
Okay.
Each one of us.
Each one.
ये मेरे को पहले बोला है.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll start with Bhavdeep. So Bhavdeep, you tell me if what tips, it could be 1 tip, 2 tip, if a new girl wants to start a career in content creation, what would you suggest?
I'll give 2-3 tips. One would be identify your niche. Like, identify what you want to do. Like, do you want to do lifestyle? Do you want to do food? Do you want to do fashion? Do you want to do family and kids? Like, just get to know first what do you want to do, and like which thing you want to explore more. Once you've done that, create a lot of content around that. Like, because you should have a base. You should have some, for example, videos. If you want to, go up and take paid collaborations and brands, you want brands on board and stuff. So you should have like a lot of content for them to see, for the viewers to see, for the audience, like just to tell that, okay, this is what I can do and this is what I can teach you, or, however. And then once you're doing that, just be consistent. Don't एक रील बना के बैठो नहीं, 2 रील बना के बैठो नहीं, थक नहीं जाओ, discourage नहीं हो, because nobody gets success overnight. कोई ना कोई लोग होते हैं जिनको overnight success मिल जाती है, but ठीक है, they're lucky, good for them, but you really have to work hard to do anything. So be consistent. So one, just identify your niche. Second would be create a lot of content around that, and then third, be consistent.
Question from you is for you is like ये मेरा personal question भी है कि I have a feeling that how would a woman balance kids and work, especially, let's also keep in mind, all of us don't come from backgrounds where we have help, or we are really privileged, or finances are really taken care of. तो उस नज़रिए से मेरे को बता क्या करना चाहिए?
Honestly, I have had a very good support when it comes to health.
Yeah.
And otherwise, if you have good set of grandparents at home, and if you're living in a joint
I
family.
totally agree with you on that.
So if you have joint family, you have grandparents, of course,
grandparents,
Nanu, Nani, Dadu, Dadi, any. So they will always be of good health. So there's a saying, there's a proverb, ki mool nalo o
Vyaj
pyara.
Vyaj
So your parents are going to love their grandkids much more than what they would do for you. So I think that is.
I think ये हम दोनों का भी question है क्योंकि हम बात करते थे कि we actually
I totally agree with this. I think I could, I'll take it from her. So मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ that God has been really kind. मेरे बच्चे rare of the rarest lucky हैं. वो इसलिए grandparents तो चलो touchwood by God's grace हैं. मेरे बच्चों को उनकी great grandmother ने, not that she was with us, उन्होंने पाला भी है. उनको परांठियाँ खिलाई हैं, उनको नहलाया है, धुलाया है. And जो value system मेरे बच्चों ने अपनी great grandmother से लिया है ना, वो तो कहीं से आ ही नहीं सकता.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
that's true. Inayat, what's the biggest challenge that you faced in this exhibition business?
That's a good question.
Actually, मुझे लगता है ये शायद किसी को दिखता भी नहीं होगा, but there are many challenges in this exhibition industry. चाहे वो getting the right brands हो, वो एक तरह से और भी चीजें which I think now I agree to you, लुधियाना दिल्ली का difference ये है कि चाहे लुधियाना has better spending power and better clients, but it's very difficult at times to convince the Delhi brands to come here.
To come to a
because
small
we were like,
town.
will they buy? They have
Yeah.
that. So even if we give better shows in Ludhiana compared to a Delhi, we face that issue.
Yeah.
दूसरा I think और तो बहुत साल
Okay,
हो गए
I would over here I would like to ask you, कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि अब एग्जीबिशन के बाद ऐसा लगा अगली नहीं करूंगी and then again
almost every time.
Exhibition के
And I'm like, why the hell am I even doing this thing?
but then what motivates you then?
दीदी एक्चुअली मुझे आई डोंट नो इफ इट मेक सेंस टू यू, बट जब मैं देखती हूँ ना कि सारे स्टॉल सेटअप हैं, ब्यूटीफुल क्लोथ्स, और आप जब आते हो सब किनायत हमने ये खरीदा, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा, थैंक यू, इट गिव्स मी सो मच सैटिस्फैक्शन दैट आई डील विद द डर्टी पार्ट आल्सो, द टैंट्रम्स ऑफ द डिजाइनर्स आल्सो. मतलब कभी-कभी लगता है कि बिकॉज़ दे ट्रीट यू लाइक यू आर नो वन, बट ये वो 2 दिन में बहुत तसल्ली मिलती है.
Okay, Ashmi. Let me think. What brought you to this line? Like, what motivated you? Like, apart from your family, like you mentioned, that they encouraged you to start working and stuff. You could have picked anything. You've done mass comm and
Yes.
stuff. So, but why this line?
Because Bhavdeep, firstly, the school is ours, so this
Acha.
is the most convenient thing
Okay.
for me to join.
Okay.
Of course, I had an option to join the family business of,
Yeah.
production also. Manufacturing unit we have then.
Acha.
But then I always had an inclination towards academics.
Okay.
So since childhood till my graduation and post graduation, I've always been the scholar, and I used to crib about it at times कि मम्मा पापा को अब क्यों मुझे इतना पढ़ा, मतलब मैं क्यों पढ़ रही हूँ जब कुछ करना ही नहीं है.
Yeah.
So but then God always has bigger plans. I
Yeah.
never thought that I will be an
सारी पढ़ाई use आ रही है.
सब use आ रही है. So I am a firm believer in this.
Wonderful.
I trust the author of my life.
I like that. Wonderful.
So
Yeah, that's good.
that's it.
Beautiful.
So for you, I think since you're into media and everything, and I feel that media is like some people who are in this industry are like puppets to politics. Do you believe that or no?
I think it's not about believing, it's a hard fact.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a fact.
But I think whatever is happening in media, more than the media, it's the people who are responsible. It's
Yeah.
when we allow the undeserving stuff to go viral.
Yeah.
That is where we make the biggest mistake. And the thing is, sometimes we are not in sync. We don't agree. हम मजाक उड़ाने के लिए भी देख रहे होते हैं, but हम देख रहे होते हैं. So when we give views to the undeserving stuff,
Yeah.
unintentionally we become a part of that dirty
Yeah.
business. So I always
But
say
what
that.
about the fact that the major conglomerates are owned by businessmen? So you never know. You always know that.
See,
whatever they show you
इनायत
is
मेरे
not
को
right.
हमेशा ये लगता है, देखिए हम the three of you, you 3 young girls sitting here, मुझे हमेशा ये लगता है that अगर कोई चीज़ आपके बस में है तो उसको ज़रूर करो, अगर नहीं है तो आपके बस में जो है वो करो. Just don't sit there, crib and do drawing room discussions.
Yeah.
Instead, do something more constructive, if
Yeah.
not directly, indirectly. That's what I think.
That's nice.
It's my turn. So I'll start with Inayat. So Inayat, tell me, do you get support for Garden of Eden from entire Ludhiana, or this very selective group of people who come and shop from you?
So I feel there are, जैसे बॉलीवुड में क्लब्स होते हैं ना, तो हमारे लुधियाना में कुछ छोटे मोटे क्लब्स हैं. Thankfully, fortunately, I feel कि majority of Ludhiana, they might know me, they may not know me. Most of them don't know me. They come to my exhibition. But then there is this एक upper so-called strata who have a little attitude about themselves. मतलब कुछ तो है scene. वो अपने फ्रेंड्स को ही सपोर्ट करेंगे सिर्फ. एंड पहले मुझे थोड़ा बुरा भी लगता था. आई ट्राई टू फिट इन, आई ट्राई टू बी फ्रेंड्स, बट लेटर आई रियलाइज कि आई डू बेटर देन द अदर एग्जीबिशंस. एंड जो मेरी एग्जीबिशन पे एक्चुअली शॉपर्स आते हैं वो मेरे लिए नहीं आते हैं, वो जेन्युइनली शॉप
Yeah,
करने आते हैं. सो दैट इज अ बिगर अचीवमेंट कि कल को मैं रहूं ना रहूं, मैं माय
Brand should
द
go.
ब्रांड
Legacy
इज
should go.
वर्किंग. सो
Yeah.
ब्लेसिंग इन डिसगाइज हो गई.
That's great. And Bhavdeep, for you, first of all, I love your content. So, what made you move back to Ludhiana from Gurgaon?
So I went to Gurgaon and I opened my store there, and I spent a few months there. I expected to stay there for longer and probably just stay there only and work on that store itself. but it's very difficult to keep your legs in both the cities. And Ludhiana and Delhi are not close. Like,
course.
you cannot, it's not convenient to go by car. I have my family here and I have one business here. Apart from that, I had my influencing thing, and apart from that, I opened another store in Delhi. So there were 3 things that I had to manage, and I had my legs in both the cities, and it was getting very difficult and exhausting for me. So I thought, like, I haven't given up on that dream. I really want to do that, and I had gotten amazing response there, because like I said, like, it's a bigger city. People from all over India and abroad come to
People
Delhi to
come,
shop,
right.
and it is an amazing market. But I want to open when I'm in a better space and I have better staff probably and better help, so that, you know, I can manage one store and
Yeah.
someone else can, because it was getting too much for me and I was
Very taxing.
it was affecting my
So
health.
I think you are one of those
also.
people who's
Yeah.
eagerly waiting for Halwada Airport. to
Yeah.
open.
Yes.
I think all of us
Yeah, all
are
of
sailing in
us.
the
See,
same
Yeah.
boat.
Rimple Harpreet have done it. तो
Yeah.
तो आराम से, I'm
Because they
sure.
moved
Yeah,
there.
they moved.
They
Because
moved
they
there.
have
Yeah.
Moved as a couple.
And now
It's
my
not
husband is here. He's
Yeah.
working here.
Of course,
I
वो
like
तो है.
long
I've been
distance
in the-
marriage. I cannot.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
I
yeah.
miss home.
I've been in this similar
Yeah.
boat,
Me
so
too,
you know,
same.
I
Yeah.
settled life.
Chan was there. and
So I dislocated from Delhi to Ludhiana, but you know, at the end of the day, believe me, I feel that when you have a good support system, when
Yeah.
your children are being raised with their grandparents,
Yeah.
Yes.
I think it's the best gift you could give to them.
Dear
Yeah.
kids. Now to you. So you've interviewed many people, right? So all from different backgrounds, different fields. So what is your favorite, genre to talk about, or to discuss about? Like, which really you look forward to? Yeah, aaj mera ji hai. So
I think
maza aane wala hai.
मजा आने वाला है. Okay, मजा आने वाला is different. It's fun, but I think जो एक टॉपिक मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है ना, जो मैं हमेशा बात करती हूँ, जिसके लिए मैं बहुत फर्मली खड़ी रहती हूँ, वो है essential life skills. कि हमारे क्या हो रहा है, देखिए, आई एम अ मदर ऑफ 2 kids. माई डॉटर इज 16, माई सन इज 10. एंड जिस तरह से आजकल पूरे हालात हैं, आप देख रहे हैं, यू नो, एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट बॉइल्ड टू वन वर्ड, कूल. इट्स ऑल कूल. सो हमारे लाइफ स्किल्स इतने सिवियरली कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो रहे हैं. बच्चों को बड़ों के साथ तहजीब से बात करना, बच्चों को एक नॉर्मल इस चीज़ को समझना दैट ये हमारा वैल्यू सिस्टम है. देखो, वैल्यू सिस्टम मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, इट्स नॉट कि भगवान का नाम लेना, दैट इज इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट.
Yes,
बाय द
very
वे, आई एम वेरी
important.
पर्टिकुलर कि मेरे
Yeah.
बच्चों को हनुमान, मतलब जो भी हम करते हैं वो सब आना चाहिए. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट कि आप बड़ों की रिस्पेक्ट कर रहे हो, आप अपने फ्रेंड्स की रिस्पेक्ट कर रहे हो, आप सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट, सबसे आयरॉनिकल चीज़ है, टीचर्स की रिस्पेक्ट ही नहीं करते हैं बच्चे.
Ask me.
So I think it was wonderful. Let's conclude. Bhavdeep, as Bhavdeep, in your own stride, in your own style, what's your message for the girls who are watching?
For the girls who are watching, if you aspire to do something,
No, it has to be like Bhavdeep, the way you make your reels. Absolutely natural style.
okay. For the girls out there, I would like to say that just be yourself, but also be independent. It's very important to be independent in today's world. If you're independent, you are ready to take on the world no matter what comes your way. So I think that is really important, and don't wait for the right time to do something or start something. If there's a business idea in your mind, if there's anything in your mind, just do it now with whatever resources you have. And I just always tell everybody, do what you can with what you have and where you are.
Oh my God, that's wonderful.
Very-
Inayat.
इतना लंबा नहीं है मेरे पास. बट आई थिंक जो फिलोसफी मैंने हमेशा फॉलो करी है, आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स राइट और रॉन्ग, बट ज़्यादा परवाह मत करो किसी की, ज़्यादा सोचने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. फॉलो योर हार्ट, भगवान है.
अरे वाह,
Yeah.
wonderful.
Very nice. And I would like to say that don't be stagnant, both emotionally and physically. Start moving.
Yeah.
That's very important for your health, for your mental, your emotional, everything. And encourage your kids to move,
Yeah.
because we are heading towards obesity. So let's just start moving.
Wonderful. And my message is loud and clear. Don't restrict this one word. It's a 3-letter word. It's an acronym. Please don't restrict it to parks or parties. Spread it. That's called LOL. Laugh out.
Laugh.
Loud. Thank you.